Welcome to Snowmageddon 2013. Hey guys, I'm recording here with the Samsung Galaxy camera, and we're having the blizzard here in the Northeast, and it's you can see lots of snow, so I figured I'd take the time to record and take some pictures as well too. Pretty cool. You can see this plow truck coming right for me. Guys, sort of move aside. See, everything's covered in snow. Moving snow around. We're supposed to get about 2 feet or so of snow, so it's gonna be pretty up there as I'm walking over snow mounds and such. It's pretty cool. It's like the city's just completely covered and it's basically shut down. Roads are closed and such like that. So I just wanted to give you guys a cool look at it. Let's walk through some more snow here. This is the train station. Normally this is pretty busy because it's a pretty main train station, but it's shut down, as with most of the trains. Pretty much all public transportation is shut down in the city right now. We're in the Boston area, so T shut down. Pretty much the whole state shut down. And you can see, so go around some steps. Come over here. Just really interesting how creepy the station looks when there's nobody in it. But with that, my friends, here comes another truck coming past. Now, my friends, just a quick recording with the Samsung Galaxy camera. It's Snowmageddon or Blizzard 2013 here in Northeast.